In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Wix Studio CMS. We will go step by step so you can understand not just where to click, but also what each part does and why it matters. If you want to manage content more efficiently in Wix Studio, the CMS is a great tool because it helps you store information in one place and display it across your site dynamically. To get started, open your Wix Studio editor. Once you're inside the editor, look to the left sidebar and click the CMS icon. If this is your first time using it, you may see an option that says Add to Site. Go ahead and click that to enable the CMS on your project. Next, let's create a collection. Click Create Collection, and Wix Studio will ask what type of collection you want to add. You'll see options such as Content Collection, Catalog Collection, and Category Collection. Choose the one that best fits the type of content you plan to manage. Then click Next. After that, you'll be asked how you want to begin. You can start from scratch, use AI, or import a CSV file. Pick the method that works best for your workflow. Then give your collection a clear name, something like Team or Projects, so it's easy to recognize later. You'll also choose whether the collection is single or multiple, depending on whether it stores one item or several. Once that's set, click Create. A new window will open here. Click Add Item to begin entering your content. You can also add specific fields based on what you need, such as text, image, rich text, video, and more. These fields define the structure of your content, so it's worth taking a moment to organize them properly. Then populate your collection by adding items or rows of data. You may also notice an option to add a preset. If you prefer, you can choose a pre-made collection and add it directly to your site, which can save time when building common content types. Once your collection is ready, you can connect it to design elements on your page. Add a layout such as a repeater from the Add panel. Then click on an element inside that repeater, like a text box or image, and open the Inspector panel. Under CMS Connections, add a dataset linked to your collection. From there, connect each element to the matching field. For example, linking an image element to your image field. Finally, if you want each item to have its own dedicated page, go back to the CMS panel. Click the three dots in your Collection's More Actions menu, and select Add Dynamic Item Page. Then design the template layout for that page. Every element on it will connect to your dataset and automatically display the correct content for each item. Thanks for watching.